we introduce Smart Grid Renewable Energy Lab. In this lab, students will be able to learn about many types of renewable energy including solar power and wind power. Renewable energy is considered an important solution factor for environmental problems worldwide. Moreover, smart grid systems are intelligent systems that can effectively utilize and manage electricity generated through renewable energy. So, Smart Grid Renewable Energy Lab provides students to future-oriented, eco-friendly educations. Smart Grid System is next-generation grid system that combined existing grid system and information and communication technologies. It can manage and use generated electricity by exchanging real-time information between suppliers and consumers using digitalized generating system. Smart Grid System is open power platform. It can predict error and restore the system automatically. Also, it can maximize maintenance and utilization efficiency with automated grid management systems. The concept of the smart grid is basically a combination of existing grid and information and communication technologies. The key point of smart grid system is bidirectional communication between suppliers and consumers. Smart Grid Renewable Energy consists of 4 parts. The 4 parts are the generation part, consumer part, commercial power part and monitoring part. In generation part, students will study using power conversion experimental equipment and PV tracker dual-axis experimental equipment. Students are able to learn about how to generate electricity through solar power. In consumer and monitoring part, students will study using renewable energy sequence or PLC experimental equipment. They are able to learn about how to use and maintain the generated electricity. In smart grid monitoring part, students are able to see the real-time information of system. They can understand about smart grid system and renewable energy easily. Existing theoretical education has little effect on renewable energy. However, the Smart Grid Renewable Energy Lab is built to simulate real work and system. Therefore, it is possible to provide students more effective and practical education. This equipment is the main of Smart Grid Renewable Energy Lab. This integrated monitoring system that can monitor real-time measuring information of solar power generation system as well as overall system. This system can be configured wirelessly and is an important part of training on smart grid system. This screen is main screen of monitoring system. Students are able to monitor the information of generation part and system part separately. This screen is integrated monitoring screen. In this screen, students will monitor the generated voltage, current and weather information. So, they are able to study how to predict the error and restore the system using this information. In generation and equipment monitoring part, students can monitor the detailed information of each equipment and parts. So, students are able to learn how to work the renewable energy generation system including solar power, wind power and so on. The smart grid system and renewable energy will become more important in the future as a pollution-free energy. With the environment and energy becoming an important global issue, Smart Grid Renewable Lab will be a great opportunity to foster the future-oriented and essential human resources.